UPSC is a tough examination, but I will not be exaggerating if I say that preliminary is the toughest of them all. Now, every year there are a lot of people who get thrown out of the competition just because they could not crack preliminary examination. There are a lot of reasons because of which they do not be able to do this. It may be lack of preparation, it may be lack of strategy, it may be wrong planning, it may be wrong choice of mentor, or maybe not performing well in the examination because of anxiety, time management, lack of conceptual clarity, lack of preparation of current affairs, and so on and so forth. But any of these reasons should not stop you from getting on your dream post. The experienced and dedicated team of Edunation Academy has designed a wonderful course that is called Preliminary Enhancement Course for 2021 Preliminary that is going to be held in the month of October. Now, what is in this course for you? First of all, there will be more than 300 hours of teaching. Experienced and specialized faculty will be teaching you extremely relevant and authenticated data from every subject that is required to be prepared for a preliminary examination. There will be ample tests designed on the basis of chapters, topics, specific subjects, and even the full-length comprehensive test series at par to the standard of UPSC. The trainer will make sure that all the current affairs related to that particular subject will be covered in the lecture itself, and still there will be separate current affairs lecture for your better understanding. And the major takeaway of this course is if you pass preliminary, then you will get 50% discount in the mains course offered by Edunation Academy. The course is going to be held online as well as offline mode. So if you are staying here in Aurangabad, you can join the lecture offline. But if you are from anywhere else, you'll be able to join the course online, and believe me, the live lectures will be streamed so you won't feel left out. So instead of staying demotivated because of postponement of UPSC prelims, take this opportunity, prepare very well, prepare with Edunation, and register yourself for the free demo lecture on the 6th June. And from 7th June onwards, your course starts. Let us crack this examination together.